Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can get new TikTok updates. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store, and here you need to search for the TikTok like I am doing. Okay, and then if you find an update option here, you need to update your TikTok application. Once you've done that, you simply need to go into the settings of your smartphone, and then you need to go into the app management and go into the app list and search for TikTok, and then you need to click on storage and cache. And the first step, you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage. Once you complete that step, you simply need to log in your TikTok account, and after that you have all new TikTok updates. So this is a process by which you can get TikTok updates. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.